I always felt that the ActiveTarget Lowrance, when it comes to recording, was very limited. It didn't record, for example, what I see on my screen, such as the distance and things of that sort. However, there is an app called Lowrance, and as far as I know, it's available for all devices, iPhone, iPad. And what's nice about this, it will actually record everything that I see and do on my Lowrance ActiveTarget 1, all the information. I can even enable control of it, so I can make changes to my iPhone without having to be at the device. Could mirror it, for example, to my iPhone or to my iPad when I'm ice fishing. That was an area I never felt it did a very good job. And currently, with the last version, when I'm recording on a device itself, I would get hesitation. So I'm hoping that that's not the case with this app. I'll test it for the next one. We just came back from a trip for ice fishing, which we'll post there as soon as we get that put together. In the meantime, I was looking at this. A couple years ago, I tried it and I found it was sluggish. However, I did a quick test at home. There, you're going to see a bunch of little red dots. It's basically not in the water, just in the bag. And I'm playing around with it while recording, so you have an idea what you can see. So it was reacting very fast. I'm talking to it via Wi-Fi on my phone, direct connection. So I don't see the hesitation like I did before, which was a few years back. And just ignore the different screens. I was testing to see how well it would react. There you go. So basically, whatever I got hooked up, I can go and control, change, things of that sort. So hopefully this will give you an idea and it will give better quality of my recording with more details. Otherwise, you're just seeing a screen with little fishes there floating around. So I hope this works. Okay. What's nice about this, if it works out, you'll be able to see the configuration. I had a few people ask how I set up, which was difficult to show unless I used my iPhone and recorded the screen, but wasn't that friendly. So that gives me an option. If there was a particular question that they have, people who have the ActiveTarget, they can ask, and I can now demonstrate it via video right on the device itself. Probably the only thing you won't see is the fish because it's probably be at home. Well, it'll be outside of the water. Take care. I guess we'll post this now. Okay. The October version update really put a problem. It was very, very sluggish recording, obviously a bug. They released in December another update, and now it's operable. This is a slight sluggish there a little bit. So I did contact Lowrance, and they suggested I use this app, which I mentioned. I used it before, didn't like it, but I'll try it in case it's been updated. It is free to use for recording, so you don't have to pay the yearly subscription. You just mirror it through your phone or device. Take care.